I'm gonna show you how to add ribbon to a tree professionally, but the easiest way you can possibly do that. So the best way to do it is drop the roll on the ground. I'm using very heavy wired velvet ribbon with a satin back, white stripe on it, and I'm gonna use as much as I need. So the easiest thing to do is to place the end of your ribbon in the tree. So we're just gonna find a piece of the tree itself and wrap that around it. And then we're going to make a loop. You can decide how large or how small you want that to be. And we're going to use another piece of the tree to tie that back in. And then we're gonna create another one. So we're just gonna do two and tie that back in. So we've got two loops here, and then we're going to cut our ribbon and fold it into some tails and cut it just like that. Just make sure this is nice and tight up here. But that's going to give you a couple of loops and a tail coming out, and we'll just repeat that same process over and over again through the tree. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We've got more in store. This is just us getting started. And again, if you want to follow step by step, go to our YouTube channel and you can see more in-depth how-to there.